Tourism today, Bahamas tourism today.
Tourism officials are planning to visit several family islands to hold the workshop Tourist Money Never Done after the recent inaugural event at the British Colonial Hilton was oversubscribed. The Bahamas Ministry of Tourism and Aviation, in conjunction with the Bahamas Development Bank and Patrick Ramming and Associates, developed the event to assist budding tourism entrepreneurs and stakeholders to brainstorm ideas for new products in the country's #1 sector.
I'm just thrilled at the response. Bahamians are hungry, they want to learn, they want to be shown the way. They want to hear about conferences that they could go to and get more information. They want to scale their product, learn how to do that. And so this is the first in a series that we're going to be doing.
Participants were equally pleased.
I've been brainwashed. So everything that I thought, it's totally the opposite. It's looking at it from a different point of view. So for that, I am grateful for Patrick Ramming and Brendan Folks and the team that brought the symposium.
For me, I think the #1 thing is inspiration. Being in this room, I'm one of maybe 50 people in there. And as Dr. Ramming said, that the Bahamas is the most creative country in the world. And I'm really seeing it. I'm listening to the ideas that people have, the businesses that they're already running. These are things that I think are unparalleled anywhere else in the world.
Officials say this workshop will act as a springboard for the Tourism Development Corporation, which will launch soon. For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Kendia Smith.